y'all. So we just got to the airport. We already been through security. We're getting food now because we're going to be boarding soon. So I'll see you guys when we get on the plane. About to be boarding soon, guys. Everybody's here. They're over there. They're over there. They're over there. He's there. Yeah. You don't like being on camera, do you? I ain't think so. We made it. We're on the plane, and we're about to get ready for takeoff in just a small little second. So, see y'all in. Oh, we got a layover in Chicago, and then we're going from Chicago to Tampa. Your first flight was good.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hello.
Okay, you're boring, but we
made
it. Yeah, that's how you're supposed to be.
No, that's too high.
We made it to Chicago. We're in the airport right now. We're gonna be here for about an hour, and then we're gonna be flying straight to Tampa. So yeah, I'll see y'all when we start boarding, because we're gonna be here for a little while. We just got here, so we board in an hour. Okay, you get some food.
I'm buzzing. All this food.
Ready to finally go to Tampa? Got our ticket. Let's go. Get there. Yeah, you ready? You ready? So we made it to Tampa. How was your flight?
Why
You keep tripping over nothing.
Cool.
You tripping over air.
I'm tired, but it's definitely sticky.
Yeah, definitely tired. It's definitely humid here for sure. We are on our way to baggage claim to go get our bags, and then hopefully we can get a car, and then we can go to the Airbnb. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse.
You with your papa?
Look at him. Who do you think he is in this passenger seat? He said, I'm with Papa.
Shut up.
CJ.
The hand.
CJ.
You
Shut
can't.
up. Shut up. That's horrible.
Don't say that. It's fed up.
That's a different type of fed up. You have to open your hands to say something like that.
Okay, he
Shut
said,
up.
y'all not
Shut
understanding me. Shut up. What?
See, you gotta smoke.
You know the smoke.
Come on, Dave. Come on, Dave.
Yes, got the touch screen. Period. Look at this. We got the living space.
Jasmine.
Huh?
They have a room upstairs in the bottom.
Oh my gosh. They got a bunk bed?
Yeah, because I want to sleep on the top.
You want to sleep on the top?
Yeah, because she's going to sleep on the bottom.
Oh my goodness. Is there a bunk bed you see, CJ?
Wait,
There's a bunk bed. Okay, we got bathroom number 1. Okay. Okay. Details. Yeah. Look around. Okay. Another bedroom. This looks like the master. Probably. I don't know. What bedroom is that? That's another bunk bed. This is cool. Okay. You got a little stairs. That is so adorable. Little stairs to the top. That's so cute. Okay, we just love sports around here. We love sports. Okay, period. You like this room, Kaden?
Yeah.
This looks fun. You got the bathroom in there. This is definitely the master. Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Isn't this nice, y'all? See, this, y'all, this is what actually I was trying to do in my own apartment. This right here. This is a whole station. It's the details for me. The cups. They got the little tea thing. They got like 1,000,001 teas, y'all. Oh my god. Oh my god. They got the shaker. They got the coffee, sugar, Keurig, coffee machine, another Keurig. That's crazy. Yes, we got s'mores. We got the chocolate. Yes, the chocolate coming out. People signed the wall here. Isn't that nice? Elijah, that's Deidre's middle name. We got Pac-Man. Yeah, this is gonna be fun for the next 4 days for sure. Looks like tic-tac-toe. All of this looks crazy. That's so crazy. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. Today is Saturday. And I am just now getting up. It is 9 something in the morning, I want to say. And I'm just now getting up. I am so tired. Like literally all day yesterday we traveled. We didn't touch down here until about maybe 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. And then by the time we got to the house, after I give you guys the tour, we had to go to Walmart and go shopping for a couple of things. And we literally was gone all night. So I am pretty tired. I was the last one to get up. I'm trying to find something to wear because I just have on these shorts. Here, let me show y'all. So I forgot to pack me some freaking PJs. So I found this at Walmart. These like shorts here and this shirt. But I don't have no bra. And like, I don't want to walk around the house like that. I mean, I could walk around the house with these shorts, but I'm ashy, y'all. Like, I don't want to do that. But I don't know. I could just steal like one of Deidre's jackets or something. Cause like I don't have a bra on and I don't want to be walking around with a bra. I also have to brush my teeth because I haven't brushed my teeth yet. Y'all, I'm so tired. And today is actually the wedding day. Like today is wedding day. The wedding doesn't start until 4. So we literally have all day. I just need like some coffee in my system because I haven't had any coffee yet. But yeah, so y'all gonna be seeing what's happening later. But thanks for staying tuned this far. I know this video has been all over the place, but I thank you guys for staying with me. Thank y'all. It's been a journey. Let me see. Who about to get their paddle bust? Oh my gosh, is that tic-tac-toe?
It's Connect 4.
Oh, that's what I meant, Connect 4. I'm too tired.
You better leave your wife alone.
I said you were like an old lady. And she said you gotta leave your wife alone.
Your mama alone.
Ooh, you Almost had it. Almost.
Dang.
There you go.
Okay.
He taking his time.
I gotta put my hair up.
Oh, yeah. That's
He taking his time. Let's see what they about to do. Oh wow. Okay. We got an air ball over here. We got an air ball over here. No. Oh my. Another one. Another air ball, huh? Okay. Y'all embarrassing my channel. Okay. Trying to show y'all off and y'all not doing it.
Well, you shoot for love.
Crab and they gonna be tired.
Oh. Oh.
Why did your legs so skinny? Look. His legs look like toothpaste. We made it, y'all. We're at the beach right now. Trying to rush to this because it's looking a little iffy out. So we're trying to hurry up right now. So we're gonna do this. We late.
Truth is, I'm scared cause when I see you coming, all I wanna do is tell you that I love you. I know you're better off without me cause your tears stain eyes make it dark out when you're around me. Like a needle lost in the sand, the ink dried in my hand. It's unthinkable. Like a bird that never learned to fly, I shouldn't ask you to try. It's unthinkable, but loving you was easy. See, when it was just you and me. Since you wanna leave it, then I'll pick up the pieces. Yeah. You said I'm out of second chances, and I know that I'm not perfect, and this probably sounds really selfish, but I hate that I'm not with you. I just wish that I could tell you that my this time is the truth. I lost the trust, I understand, but do I have to be that man? It's unthinkable, but loving you was easy. See, just you and me. Since you wanna leave it, then I'll pick up the pieces. Yeah. Do you think about me? Are you thinking about me? Do you think about me? Are you thinking about me? Do you think about me? Are you thinking about me? Do you think about me? Are you thinking about me? Do you think about me?
Where you move at, Rick? Where you move at? Hey! Oh my God, this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.